This is just a short video showing how to install the sensor head of an AF assist light extender on a camera. The first step will be to take a short piece of the supplied putty and roll it in between your fingers to warm it up. After this, you take two very small pieces and just squeeze it on the sensor head inside on both sides. After this, you have to press the sensor head firmly to the camera. Please make sure that the opening in the sensor head is directly above the lead of the camera. Otherwise, the AF assist extender will not work properly. It is also important that the sensor head is not touching the dial. As you can see here, there is a gap of about 1 to 2 millimeters between the sensor head and the dial, and that is very important. If you are using too little putty or don't press it firmly enough, then the sensor head will fall off. If that happens, it's quite easy to solve. You just take some more putty, or maybe you just need to take a better grip and press it more firmly. If you have done it right, then the sensor head will stick to the camera and it won't fall off again unless you bump into something. As you can see, the wire is touching the camera, but that is normally not a problem. In case this is disturbing you, you can always bend the wire a tiny bit or just gently. It won't break the cable unless you bend it quite hard or in a very narrow angle. This is all it takes to install the sensor head on a Z7 camera in my case, but the principles are the same regardless of which camera you are using this on. I hope this short instruction video helps you out, and thank you for watching, and hope you will enjoy the use of it.